you are supposed to do is, okay, I want two files. Write your HTML form here in this file. Name this as registration.php. Remember, PHP. Okay, are you following me? Write another file here. Okay, this is thankyou.php. This is thankyou.php. Here in thankyou.php, okay, this for this method is post, okay, and action is thankyou.php. Okay, so as soon as I submit the form, it should come here, and here it should display thank you name, whatever the name you submit from there. Thank you name. We will, oh, not registration, I'm sorry, it's contact form, contact.php. okay, I'm sorry, I'll put this in a PDF file, don't worry. I'll give me some time, by tomorrow I may get this done. Okay, we will contact you on email. Okay, just use only two fields. Use radio buttons. Okay, use radio buttons. I don't know how do you use radio buttons, or forget radio buttons. Radio buttons can be done later. They're not of that much use. It's pretty easy. I'll tell you guys how to process every form you submit. It's very easy. I'll tell you here. I'll give some steps here how to do that. Remember these steps. If not, watch this class again and again. Steps to process any form. I don't know if the class is big. Okay, steps to process any form. First, you write a form. Okay, just write a form. Give a method. Give an action. These three things should be remembered. Then, in the action file, whatever the action file, just write this code. Just write this code. Whatever you use, get it's not echo, sorry. Okay, remember this process. I use this process. These are the steps in processing a form. Now after this you will get your key and values. From this, you know, right, keys and values, use for each and print. For each is very important. I don't know how do you guys who missed out yesterday's class will get this. So for each, this is it. $post as $key, $values, print values. Or value. So these are the steps to process any form. Trust me, this is that simple. Follow these methods anywhere. If tomorrow also you're processing, you're doing a contact us form, right? Okay, same process. Write a form first. Whatever I have done today. First write a form, style it, do whatever you want, validate. For validations you need an ID. Okay, validate it, you need an ID. Then write the method and action. Then in action file, first pure print the form, whatever you are getting over there. Using that, whatever the message you want printed. I hope you guys understood. I need a feedback on the today's class. It's not feedback, it's a summary class. Put a summary over there. I will really appreciate that, and share with your friends. Get more students to Tutoslive. so that the class becomes more competitive. Okay, and don't forget about the email. Only those guys who send me a test email to this email will be receiving the payment details, no, the bank account number, name, and stuff. As soon as you make a payment, I will take a screenshot if you are doing wire transfer, okay, like net banking or whatever, or if you are depositing from a bank, let's say, I don't know if any most of the people are not doing. If you are doing it while that, keep that slip with you and tell me that number so that I'll cross verify if you guys are really, if that's you or somebody else maybe. So I'll cross check it and I will let you guys know. You'll get a domain name. Fix on a domain name, tell me it that by tomorrow evening. Okay, even if you do not pay a fee, no problem, tell me the domain names. I will see what we can do over there. But yeah, make sure that you get the payment done by tomorrow. Okay, so that from Wednesday, however, those guys who do not pay whatever, I don't know, like whomsoever pays the fee will be in the class. Alright, so guys, thank you, good night for being here. Share the class, remember, please do share the classes, do watch the videos, make the maximum utilization. I'll take a feedback on Monday about how can we make Tutoslive better. So you guys are the participants, like, I'll take your inputs. You will be a part of Tutoslive in making it better. Tomorrow if somebody asks me like why Tutoslive is so awesome, I'll say, these five guys here, they gave me a very good feedback so that I can make it really good. You're getting my point, right? Your feedback will help thousands of people tomorrow. Trust me, Tutoslive will reach at least 10,000 people. That's my part. I will take care of that part. That is my actual idea, to get Tutoslive to at least 10,000 people a month. So I'll make 10,000 PHP developers a month. It will be a factory tomorrow. So trust me, that's what we're gonna do. So you guys will be remembered forever by these 10,000 people. So I'll put that on my website. If I get feedback from anybody, if I get a suggestion from anyone, I'll put that on my website saying, okay, Taufik has given me this feedback, Ankush has given me this feedback, Siraj has given me this feedback. So no problem. And I hope my English is